As eager as we are to make progress on our house build, it must be put aside for another day. Each day's chores begin with caring for our animals, one that I don't consider much of a chore at all, as I enjoy spending time with them. Good morning, everyone. With just a slight break in winter weather, the snow from the storm melts away. With severe weather alerts for our area, we take another look at our supplies and head into town. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's all Grady. I'm Denise.
And I'm driving. I'm Marcel. Today's episode will be brought to you by 2 popsicles.
We have to head into town to grab some more supplies, you guys.
Yeah, we're at the end of our priority list, like some last minute hay. We had a lot of other stuff that took precedence. Our personal safety and all that stuff was more important. So we've worked our way through all that stuff, and now we're down to chickens. Get some extra propane, just because if we're driving, we may as well, because it's only going to get worse from this point on. We're supposed to get just less than 1/4 of an inch or something like that. Which, once you start getting to 1/4 of an inch, according to Ryan Hall, that's when you can start having some damages, yeah?
Yeah. We're heading into town, guys. It's early morning. Chickens are taken care of.
drizzle is bad enough. It'll make the roads slick like black ice. You won't even see it.
Yeah.
And then the bridges and overpasses are where the real danger is at this time. Later on today, it doesn't matter. It's dangerous all over. You may as well just put tire chains on, or it's safe to drive right now as long as you respect the conditions of the road. The speed limit's 55 through here. We're going 75. Just kidding.
Oh, wait.
We're going less than 55. Because I'm not as scared of getting into the accident as I am of walking from the accident to wherever we got to go in this cold weather.
It's quite a walk here.
Yeah. And we've already been stranded. And people aren't that happy to help you out around here when it comes to the side of the road now.
Nope.
Matter of fact, we were the ones that were the nice people.
Yeah.
They're probably like, what are those crazy people doing out there in that 102-degree weather walking around with work boots on? No, we weren't stranded. We were just crazy.
Buckets, and then we filled them up and put them in the back of the camper. Today, like Marcel said, we're just taking care of animal stuff and anything extra that we may have forgotten. So we're gonna head to town and hopefully get the things that we need. We do got to get propane just in case, but everybody's saying it's about to get a lot worse, so I can't wait until we're in a house for these storms, but it's fun. Out there. Yep, that winter front is coming in, is feeling cold. Babes is outside.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Welcome back to Real Talk with SLR.
How are you guys doing today?
Well, guys, we got the kids in the back. You guys want to say good morning?
Good morning.
So, school's been canceled for the day.
Yep.
Well, we made it back from the trip to town, and it's raining, or icy. Is it snowballs yet? No, it's still raining.
I
But
think they call this sleet.
sleet, that's what I was trying to say. But we gotta get some of this hay in the chicken coops real quick, so let's run over there and get this taken care of, because we want to bundle up and get cozy in the camper during this storm. We're not really sure what to expect, but with ice, there's going to be a lot of downed trees, which we're anticipating our power going out again. Hopefully it doesn't, but you never know. So I'm going to get this taken care of, because these guys need some hay. So most of the chickens are already inside, but they see me coming and they think they got treats. All right, girls. Well, now that we're finally home and have the coops taken care of, the sleet kind of slowed down a little bit, which is good. Not looking forward to the storm, but we're ready for it. We're ready, I think, this time.
We still have no control over the grid.
Right.
But we've got all of our gas cans are full.
Mm-hmm.
All of our propane bottles are full.
Mm-hmm.
All of our water bottles are full.
Mm-hmm. Plus, we got more than we had last time.
We got way more than what we had last time. Mm-hmm. And this is supposed to... This storm is supposed to last into like Wednesday. So Thursday we'll be coming out of it. And... Okay, it's not constant. It's going to be a shot here and a shot there, but it could equal some...
Could be quite the haul. Could be nothing.
Yeah,
but
it's saying something.
Yeah.
We got warnings right here for ice. It's an ice storm.
Mm-hmm. We do want to thank everybody for sending us messages and letting us know.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, because we do get busy and sometimes we'll see the weather say it says rain, but like it's just an icon to us. It doesn't really tell us, hey, buckle down.
It's nice when you got somebody that you can follow along that's doing real time.
Yeah.
So we do that, but only when we need it. Only when we have like indication that, because I don't watch the Weather Channel for other states. I don't really, like, I want to be disconnected. This was part of that equation coming out here, was to be able to unplug and disconnect from that the other kind of life.
And boy, have we become disconnected.
Yeah, we may have gone a little too far on the other end.
Yeah.
Not crazy yet.
Well, it's not really our fault because there ain't no service out here.
Yeah.
So
I'm the weatherman now. I'm like, nah, this is what we call winter. It's getting, everything has got a glaze of ice on it right now. I think I've gotten everything I could tucked in and tidied up, and I mean, there's not much else we can do.
Yep. I think that,
for this, we're just going to have to maintain, right? Maybe it's going to be as bad as they say it could be. the worst case scenario for us is to get the power outages again,
Yeah.
right? Because
Costs a lot in gas, which, I
Right.
mean, if it lasts too long and we can't go out, then we'll just be out of gas.
yeah, I don't think that'll happen. We'll be able to get out tomorrow, but then we have rain that turns into ice again. Because we were driving today.
Yeah,
And what
we
happened?
did. We slipped on a bridge.
Yes, it was the only time we slipped the entire time.
The only time I tried to lay down and take a nap.
Yeah, and we went over just a little bridge,
And
and it was just a little incline, so the truck, kicked in to accelerate, and kicked us
oh my
sideways.
gosh, you guys, I was so scared.
And we weren't actually sideways, but if you have ever lost traction in a big truck before,
Yeah.
even a fraction of a centimeter feels like you're broadside. Once you're on ice,
No car does good.
no, your car's just not going to do good. Unless you got like metal studs and studded tires or chains or cables or something.
We ran to town as early as we could this morning to try to beat any of the weather that was coming.
Yeah. Yesterday we spent getting stuff that was like the most important
Done.
things, which was our own comfort and our
Water
own safety and being prepared. And then today we were able to do all the fluffy stuff. Like, it'd be nice if we could go get an additional bale of hay. It would be nice if we could go, and get some propane. We already have a bunch of bottles, but
Yeah.
now we can go a month without.
Yeah, today we didn't have to go out.
No.
But we did because we figured if, we might need it.
Yeah.
So,
We always end up needing something. And you know what? We're going to need something again.
yeah, and we
I
were
already know
able
it.
to pick up a few groceries like some mushrooms and spinach. And yeah, we're going to grub.
Yeah, I don't know if that's grubbing, but it would be way better if I could have a big old anything but what we're eating. That's not bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
No.
So to catch you guys up, just in case you missed it, we've been eating a low-carb diet. That's why you see this guy. He's changing quite a bit, huh?
Yeah.
He's went from 217 down to 20.
Today was 204.
204.
That was in 3 weeks.
That's crazy, you guys.
That's now barely. Well, I did some exercise because I'm not trying to wait around for this I want to see results now because I don't feel happy the way I feel. My joints are hurting and everything is hurting. And we quit smoking last year.
Mm-hmm.
So we didn't worry about none of that other stuff.
No, but it caused us to gain about, a lot of weight.
Yeah, too many.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm happy being a little pork chop. Don't get me wrong. But that was too much.
Yeah.
I was like one of
When
those
it starts
heritage breeds, where you just get too much of that honest, you know what I mean? I wasn't lean and trim like a hybrid.
Yeah.
I'm getting back to hybrid status, or at least just pork chop status, because I want to be able to, do stuff and not be so beat up.
All right, everyone, it is starting to rain on us, so we're going to go ahead and go inside and be warm for a while, but we're going to keep you updated on the storm. Hopefully nothing too bad happens, but
Yeah.
we'll see you guys soon.
Yeah. We're praying for us. And everybody. Because it's going to get bad, they said.
Yeah, we're keeping everybody in our thoughts and prayers.
Yep.
You guys stay warm and safe. We'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Put an egg in my pocket.
Baby cakes, what are you doing? Do you know how expensive eggs are right now? You got it like that, huh? You could just put the eggs in your pocket and scramble them that way? I've never heard of that style.
Now my jacket's ruined. We are now extreme grilling.
Yeah, extreme grilling. Yeah, it's like 23 degrees out. So the people from the north are like, oh, that's summertime. We know that. Yeah.
Bleeding out, but
Oh.
ooh, careful, Lovey.
Might be cold out, but the side of that grill's hot. Yeah, so for the sake of keeping the camper clean,
We're gonna cook outside.
it's a good idea.
We're gonna try to keep down on dishes as much as we can over the next few days.
Yeah, it's just a couple days of this. Wednesday it should be cleared up.
Yeah. I hate having a bunch of dishes in the sink anyway, so it's helpful to cook outside as much as we can. I'm going back inside. You ran out of propane during the... Oh no. Sounds like it's really coming down.
What's up, baby cake?
How you doing out there?
Doing good.
Well, thanks, babe, for cooking. I appreciate you.
I appreciate you appreciating me.
It's cold and wet outside.
No, this is it right here. This is a challenge. Bear Grylls would be proud of us right now. We're about to eat this raw zebra.
Yuck.
I didn't cook any zebra at all. I ain't gonna cook it either.
I'm gonna go put my chickens up because I know they're in. I hate that I disturbed them because they were already up roosting, but I had to get the feeder out of there. So the mice don't get it. Oh, here's the first round of knocking off the tents. Woo! It's coming down quick.